Hey guys, so for my IM, I did civil rights, history in America, and critical thinking. So the first page, just like the home page, explain what the class is about, standards and objectives. Then part one, it's split into four parts, the home page, part one, two, and three. So part one, just goes, sorry, it tells you about Nat Turner. There's a PBS video link here. Review slides, and then at the bottom there is a Google Forms assignment to turn in. It's like 10 questions. Not very hard, but I did enjoy seeing what people picked up from my video and what they already knew or remembered. Excuse me. So, part two goes on about police brutality more in like modern day today. This right here is a 2019 map of all police brutality. Not just blacks either, just everybody through the year of 2019. And here is a Rodney King video that I made an Ed puzzle. It's only about 2 minutes long. There's three questions. One's a critical thinking question. One is just a question to start the video of how much you guys knew about Rodney King to start off. And part three just explains the critical thinking assignment with a link to the Google Classroom. I have to say my favorite part of my IM has to be the first page. There's a lot of new information as well as review. Plus, I did really enjoy seeing your guys' answers and scores on this quiz here.